Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fifth grade concept of describing parentheses. This is standard 5.4E in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 12 of the 2025 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a series of expressions here. It looks like we're simplifying this expression. We're using brackets, we're using parentheses, and there's an error. So we need to figure out where the error first appears. So we know that this 13 is going to be incorrect. You know what? Let's do it ourselves. Let's do this. Let's take our 60 divided by 6. All right, we've got a bracket, parentheses 1 times 2 plus 4 times 2. All right, so what we need to do first is we always look inside any brackets. Okay, so the bracket says go here first. And within the brackets, we've also got parentheses. So within the brackets, we have the parentheses to deal with first. So we're going to deal with a 60 divided by 6 at the very end. But honestly, we don't even need these parentheses because look, we have to multiply inside each of these. If we rip these parentheses off, we're still going to multiply before we add. Because remember, we've got our please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, right? So remember that multiplication and division are on the same level. They are inverse operations. Same with add and subtract. You can do this add or subtract if you see that either one left or right. In parentheses and brackets are at that same level. We're not dealing with exponents until we get into 6th grade. So we need to take care of our parentheses first, even though we don't really need them. So let's do our 60 divided by 6. I'm going to put my bracket here. I've got 2, keep that plus, and I've got that 8. All right, so this 1 times 2 turned into a 2, and the 4 times 2 turns into an 8. And it looks like, oh, let's bring that 6 there, but no mistake yet. So this one checks, this one checks. All right, now what am I going to do? Well, what I'm going to do is I am going to still have to deal with these brackets first, and since there's no parentheses, those brackets are kind of turning into like a parentheses. Still signaling do that first. Now we do have to have these brackets here, because if not, this division would take precedent. So we need to keep that 60 divided by 6 on the outside. Okay. And I'm going to put this bracket right here. 8 plus 2 turns into a 10. So now that bracket is just kind of like a parentheses, but that 8 plus 2 turns into a 10 right there. Ah, and now we've got a difference. Okay, so in step 2, look what they did. They did this right here. They ignored the brackets. The only way to get 12 from up there is to do a 6 times 2. All right, so that's where their mistake was. And so let's look at this, see if that correctly does it. Step 2, because 2 plus 8 should be simplified before multiplying by 6. Yes, that's exactly what we did. We simplified the 2 plus 8. Then we can deal with this, because really, if I wanted to rewrite this, what's left? Now it's 60 divided by 6 times 10. That bracket 10 means times 10. So if we wanted to simplify it now, we can do the division before, right? Because left to right, multiplication and division are the same. So these two are going to turn into a 10 times 10. We should have ended up with 100, but we ended up with 13 because of this error right here. They divided, or they did the multiplication of 6 times 2 before they did the 2 plus 8, and that's incorrect.